I think I should publish this video tutorial for you. I found very important option. It's not because how slow it is, because I thought it was caused by display. I found a solution how to speed up when we work with canvas, but I'm not going to tell you about this because it's nothing to do with display settings. But this can help if you have viewport issue display second shows. But today I wanted to mention something more important. In tool options I found three options for tool transform tool when you work with separate items. You know, I was annoyed because it was slow. I found the option where you can choose fast. I couldn't find, I didn't see this option to be honest with you. Now I will be able to work really fast with application Krita because we have three options. Accurate with instant preview. Finally, people, I found a solution how to speed up Krita when you cut separate elements. I'm glad that it is available fast. They have to choose fast option because I thought it was my canvas because I have very large resolution. When you go to image and resize canvas, but my computer's powerful, so I couldn't believe it would slow Krita down because I have got very fast processor and very good graphics card and lots of memory. Finally I found a solution how to speed things up. For example, I want to create a blank frame, but make sure you turn onion skin on and we will cut our character. Edit copy. Paste into active layer. I wonder why is it still working slow? Maybe because we have to deselect and save. I think you have to copy. What you have to do, you have to first copy and then select use the option to select once again. Oh, we have some other settings, but now it is working fine. Because I want to create character when it is jumping. I'm glad that I found three different options. So your Krita will work fast, but after when you use selection tool and you select what you copied, because after that it will work faster. Okay, I have to draw character's face. I want to try to speed up this because I want to copy legs. Yeah, it is something is not right. Someone was going like I have to be quiet because my neighbors are sleeping. So during completion tutorial I will be quiet. Edit copy. Edit paste in place. Paste into active layer. But to work faster, you have to select it by lasso selection. But make sure you use option fast. I'm glad I finally found the solution. Cut out character. Another thing that I wanted to test when I select all parts of the body of the character. Let's check. Let's check our tool once again because I want to copy stairs. The only minor issue is you have to select it once again. That is the main thing. But at least it is working. I will show to you once again. Fast, option, accurate, very huge difference. Oh, I'm glad that I found this option. But make sure you select new item once again by lasso selection. Otherwise it won't work exactly as I showed it to you because I'm glad that creator will not be slow anymore. So I have to draw something more items. In my previous video tutorial I showed it to you how to fix animation playback using the update. So you go to settings, configure Krita, performance, and increase animation crash. I showed it to you as quick as possible. I think this is a little bit too fast. I just have to decrease. result here. It is completely different that new version of Krita what it used to be in the past. Well, to be honest with you, animation process is time consuming but it gives good results. I'm using the latest Krita, the most current version, and they applied one of the features which will allow people to work with high resolution canvas on Android tablet. See you guys.